So let's start with unit and dimensions and error analysis. So what I will try to do is I will try to divide this chapter into 4 to 5 different components. So if you cover those each specific component and combine them, your whole chapter will be covered from the exam point of view, and this is mainly for JEE mains and advanced, and of course NEET students also can follow. So what you have to do is, like, for the unit and dimensions, so like the first topic I will cover is, so what you have to do is you have to try to remember maximum of the formulas, like try to understand what are those formulas. Let's say F equal to ma, and then understand how you find the dimensions from those formulas. So this will be your first topic, like this should be your foundations that you should definitely know in the physics. So try to cover this topic first, and then coming to the second one, there are so many questions which are asked on this topic. So it is like you will be given a expression, a problem. We have to convert that problem into a physics based relation. Let's say F equal to ma, then you might be given us some different relation, and first you have to form that relation, and then you have to find the dimensions of that relation, and then for the unknown one you have to take the variables, let's say a and b, and then you have to balance the equation and find those a and b. So like this variety of problem is really important for the mains and advanced as well. So like try to cover this variety, solve as much as problems as you could, and this is like really simple. And I'm saying like questions are asked on this almost every year, so try to cover this one. And then coming to the other part, so for the error analysis, what you have to do, you don't have to remember a lot of formulas. Let's say there are a lot of formulas for relative error, absolute error, and other errors. You don't have to, and you don't have to remember each and everything. Instead of that, just try to learn how those formulas are derived, like what is the base, how you prove them. So that will help you to understand what actually error means instead of just memorizing it. So try to go in this way, like what is the rule for error addition, subtraction, if there is a power, then how you handle that. So try to understand these things, don't remember them. So this will help you to clear out your concept of error, and this comes really handy in all of your physics. So this is a really important topic to cover. And then coming to the last one, so there are like a lot of questions on different instruments, like your vernier caliper, what's it least count, and how these instruments measure different things. And so what you could do is you can pick a video, experimental video from YouTube, where you can learn the whole setup, how that instrument works, how we note the readings, and how all things work. So that will create an image of that instrument in your mind, so that you can understand better and handle different varieties of questions in your exam. So try to do that instead of just memorizing how that specific problems is solved. Try to grasp how that instrument actually works, so that will help you to remember things better, and try to solve a lot of problems on this topic, because almost every year you will get a question in your JEE Advanced, 1 or 2 question, and these are like free K marks. So you should definitely complete this chapter. So try to go topic by topic and cover all and combine all those, and I'm sure you will be able to complete your unit and dimension and error analysis in a good way. And this is a really important, and mainly this is a base of your physics, so you should be knowing this chapter, right? And if you like this series, then let me know. If you want me to cover different chapters from physics, so I will make video on those. So just comment if you want more videos, and if you like this one, then hit the like button, and also you can share with your friends who are preparing for JEE. Thank you everyone.